if you recall, when General Chukwuemeka Odimegwu Ojukwu came back from exile, part of the understanding with him was that they will release his father's properties, the properties belonging to Ojukwu Transport Limited. Now, until he was released from the prison by President Babangida, nobody talked to him about those properties. Now, there were 19 properties, 19. 14 of them were in Ikoyi. 4 were in GRA Apapa. And 1 was in Yaba. So I went to General Guzo, who was the NSA. And I said, General, I don't think this country has been fair to the Ojukwu family. He says, why? I said, this man came back. They promised him to return the father's properties to him. They didn't. If it's punishing Emeka Ojukwu that the country wants to do, the property does not belong to Emeka Ojukwu. The property belongs to his father, who actually even helped this country at a point in time when they were in need. I said, so punishing Emeka Ojukwu for what he has, what doesn't belong to him, belongs to the family. Is not. He says, come with me, let's go to the president. Make your case to the president. And I went with him. This was November 1992. We came to Abuja. And the general took me to President Babangida. And I said, look, Chief, tell the president what you just told me. And I narrated the same story. And he says, we will release the properties. And he called the Attorney General, Saklem Abambo. Said, release those properties, gazette them, and I will sign them. Now, between November 1992 and August 20th, 1993, the properties were gazetted, and he signed them on the 24th of August, 1993. So from November to August, it was a question of about 9 months. All the properties belonging to Ojukwu Transport Limited was released. One other thing there. When Emeka Ojukwu was coming back from exile, he brought in his customized Mercedes Puma 600. It landed in Benin. President Yamaseba, the president of the Republic of Benin, Gassinbias, they were expecting an official visit by the Pope. So they confiscated the 600 Mercedes Puma, customized, and used it for the Pope. After using it for the Pope on his official visit to Benin, he now reported to President Shagari that, look, by the way, General Ojukwu brought in a vehicle, and they sent the vehicle back to Nigeria and kept the vehicle at 15 Awolowo Road. He now, President Babangida, said, go also to 15 Awolowo Road and take that vehicle and take it to Emeka. I personally drove the vehicle from 15 Awolowo Road to 29 Queens Drive. So you can see the kind of person that President Babangida is. And even in his interview, he said, I never lose my friends. I keep my friends. Which is very correct. Very, very correct of President Babangida. So it's difficult to find a man like that who interacts with people, love company. You go to him, you wouldn't want to leave. he engages you, he discusses with you.